Hello everyone. Today's lesson is lesson 37, identifying pairs and dividing a set of objects into groups of two. So there are lots of things that come in pairs: socks, shoes, mittens, earrings. The word pair means that I have two matched objects. Okay, so they have to be the same. I can't have like one earring and one sock. They have to be the same object. And each item has a partner. So if I only have one sock, do I have a pair? No, I don't, because my sock doesn't have a partner. What about if I have two socks? So if I have two socks, do I have a pair? Yes, I do, because I have two socks, and so they make one pair. Okay. What about if I have three socks? Can I make a pair? Yes, I can. I can put these two socks together, and that's one pair. But then I have one sock left over. Okay. All right, what about if I have four socks? So if I have partners, I make a pair. So there's one pair and two pairs. I do it by putting two socks together. So four socks, I get two pairs. What about five socks? Well, let's make these into pairs. So there's one pair and two pairs. So I have two pairs and I have one left over. Okay. Six socks. Well, let's look. I have one pair, two pairs, and three pairs. Do I have any left over? Nope, I just have three pairs of socks. All right, so if we look, we're going to put how many socks we have and then how many pairs I end up with and if I have any extras left over. So with one sock, I have 0 pairs and I end up with one sock left over. Now when I had two socks, I ended up with one pair and I had 0 left over. Three socks, I had one pair and one left over. Four socks, I had two pairs and no extras. For five socks, I would have two pairs, but I would have an extra. 6 would be 3 pairs with no extras. 7 is 3 pairs with one extra sock. 8 socks is 4 pairs, and I have no extra socks. 9 is 4 pairs, but I have an extra sock. And 10 is 5 pairs of socks with no extras. So you can see when I have an odd number, I'll always end up with extra pairs of socks. So 1, 3, 5, all ended up with an extra pair of socks. Okay, and that's how we make pairs of items. And that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.